All right, so in the truck stops, you have, stuff that you need if you gotta, service your truck. So let's see if they got oil. Let's see. I know I need some fifth wheel grease for sure, so get a couple of these. All right, so this is what I'm going with, y'all, to lube. Look at all that.
Do you want some tenders?
No. All right, I got all my stuff. Now let's go and lube these axles, because you do not want a axle to overheat. So come on, y'all. Check them axles, y'all. We're going to check them other axles while we at it. Look at that trash. They be putting shit in the trash, shit bags. You see all kind of stuff when you come out here in this trucking world. When you come out here in this trucking world, you don't know what you're going to see. But you definitely going to see some shit bags. You're going to see gallons of piss. You're going to see cups of piss. You're going to see funky ass truck drivers. You might see half naked truck drivers. You're going to see truck drivers. You're going to see truck drivers rocking their cab because they either probably messing with a lot lizard or messing with their wife or girlfriend or vice versa. Nowadays, you got these women truck drivers out here. So the woman might be rocking the truck on y'all. I know shit. Don't judge me, bro. Don't judge me. If I had a boyfriend and a husband, and whenever I did have my husband in the truck or boyfriend, I rocked the truck on motherfuckers. Okay, that's TMI. Let's get back to the educational talk, y'all. I'm sorry. Hey, trucks is life. I ain't sugarcoating shit. I refuse. So remember, always have your extra key. All right. The little unlock that door, shawty. I'm jamming. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Y'all know I gotta drop it like it's hot before I get back in the road. My knees. My knees. Nobody looking this thing. All right, come on, y'all. All right, so let's get ourselves prepared. All right. I'm gonna plug them in both of them, so come on. All right, let's pop that bad boy off. Alright, so this is the finishing results. Alright, let's do the other side. Alright, let me get my damn tripod. So that way, I ain't gotta sit here holding it while trying to do this shit at the same time. These tripods come in handy, y'all. Tell me. All right, let me get y'all set up. Alright, now we can rock and roll. Alright, so I bought myself some fifth wheel lube, because my fifth wheel be needing lubing, so I got some, and now I got some for my axles. So, come on, y'all.